Welcome to Elite Paintless Dent Repair. This is the beginning part of your intake of bringing in your vehicle. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, approximately how long does the intake process take?
It takes about 45 minutes to an hour.
Oh, okay. Was there any documents that I should have brought with me?
Yes, you need your driver's license and proof of insurance.
Okay, and then when I get to the rental car company, are they going to ask for any other type of things?
Yes, what they're going to do there is they're going to go through their process. They do have some extras, extra insurance, extra coverage on the rental car itself. So that way, if you wanted those extra options, you're able to get those on your own.
Does my insurer typically cover those things, or to some degree?
Your insurance does cover the rental car, but if there's any damages outside of that, so if you get hail again, you're going to want to opt for that extra coverage through Enterprise.
Oh, okay. All right, cool. What forms do I need to fill out while I'm here?
So there's a couple forms that we're going to fill out. It's the customer information form, and it's
Oh,
got
this one's easy.
it's got some basic information. How did you hear about us? And then the
Okay.
next form is a walk around of your vehicle, just to make sure that we document any scratches or dings that aren't due to hail damage.
Oh, okay, so if something were to happen to my vehicle while it's here, this would be documented and would protect my vehicle while it's here.
Correct.
Okay, awesome.
And then the last form is just, again, it's the customer's basic information. Then you're going to go through your insurance information. You're going to read the disclosure. You're going to put the insurance carrier's name here and then sign a date.
Oh, okay, so this authorizes you to act on my behalf through the claim process?
That's correct.
Okay, so if I haven't already made my claim when I get here, how could you help me with that?
I'm going to sit with you through the process. We could do it a couple different ways, whatever you're comfortable with, whether if we do it on your app on your phone.
Oh, okay, yeah, I have the app.
Yeah, or we could do it by phone and talk to a representative.
Okay, all right, awesome. And then as far as what should I expect as far as the overall claim process? Like, what's my expectation of how long the process overall will take to get my vehicle back?
It sometimes, it varies case by case. Sometimes it will take 2 weeks, sometimes it's just a little bit longer. It depends upon how big the storm was that came through. So if the insurance company has a lot of claims coming through, it might take them just a little bit.
So if I had lighter hail, you'd probably say like 7 to 10 business days, and then if it was heavier hail, like they needed to replace the hood or the roof, it would obviously take longer.
Correct.
Oh, okay, all right. Well, thank you so much for all the information. I really appreciate it.
No problem.